Welcome to today's furniture makeover. In this video, I am taking a dresser that had previously been painted in chalk paint, and I am using Dixie Belle Silk Mineral Paint and going over the whole piece to give it a completely new look. Before applying the paint, I very lightly scuff sanded the original finish and wiped it down and cleaned it. The paint, the silk mineral paint, applied beautifully and adhered without any issues at all. The wooden top originally had been stained, and the original stain was a whitewash. So I lightly sanded it and went over it with Dixie Belle Gel Stain in the color Walnut. I thought I was going to really like the look of the deep wood top against that green paint. And it applied really well, and there were no issues with that. It's just when I stood back and took a look at the project, I realized I really didn't like the direction it was taking it, so instead I painted the top. Once the paint had completely dried, I went in with Dixie Belle's Clear Coat in Gloss. I love this product. I take my applicator pad and dip it into my plastic bowl and wipe it generously over the top of the furniture. Once I go in one direction, I then go the opposite direction, and you would think that this is counterintuitive and would leave streak marks, but actually it's the only way that I've figured out to do this where it doesn't leave any streak marks at all. And you'll see at the end here the clear and beautiful finish that this gloss clear coat gave to the piece of furniture. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.